If you are a teacher looking to find the micro improvement projects under Literacy and Numeracy Fest 2.0, you first need to download the Diksha app, log into Diksha, and you will come to your home page. Please ensure that you go to the profile page and check that your state, district, block, school, everything is updated properly. If not, you can make changes to this and submit the new changes. Please ensure that your board is also selected properly, and you can again click Save. Once your profile is updated successfully, you will go to Home, and once you scroll down, you will see a tab called Projects. When you click on this, you will be able to find the literacy and numeracy projects right in front of you. Here you will be able to see Speakathon projects, which is the literacy teachers project, Fun with Numbers, which is the numeracy teacher project. When you click on Speakathon, you will be able to click on Start Improvement and start your project. Thank you. Introduction to finding projects for the Literacy and Numeracy Fest 2.0 cycles. If you are a school head, you first need to download Diksha app, log in onto Diksha as HTN officials, and you will be able to see this screen. The first thing you need to do is to go to profile and update your profile. Here you will be able to select your role, state, district, sub-role. Please select whether you're a principal, headmaster, head teacher under sub-role. Select your block, select your school, and then click on submit. Post that, look at the board and edit the board as well to state Nagaland. Find it from the drop down menu here and select Nagaland board and submit. Then click on save. This will update your profile successfully. Sometimes it takes a minute or two for the profile to update. If you are unable to update the profile at once, please log into Diksha again and try it one more time. Post updating the profile, go to the home page, click on program style, then you will be able to see Literacy and Numeracy Fest 2.0. Click on this and then you will be able to see all the projects under Literacy and Numeracy Fest 2.0. Since you are a school head, you will be doing the PTM Know Your Child in Their School project. If you're a literacy teacher or a numeracy teacher too, then you can do the other projects as well. So let's understand how the project looks. Let's click on this and then we'll see certain things on our screen. We'll see a Start Improvement button, and we'll see the objective of the project, the duration of the project, and the certificate criteria. This project includes a certificate. That means that once you complete this project with a certain criteria, you will receive a certificate on Diksha app for the project. When you click on this, you'll be able to see what the criteria for certificate is as well. There is something called task details here. When you click on this, you will be able to see all the tasks that are there. You can click on load more tasks to see the other tasks also. So let's get started. Let's click on Start Improvement button to start the project. This will give you a pop-up to change your name or correct your name, as this name will appear on the certificate. So if there's an error, you can click on this pencil button and add the correct name or correct the spelling of the name. Once this is exactly what will appear on your certificate, so please ensure that you have the correct spelling of your name here, and post this you click on Start Improvement button. When you click on Start Improvement button, you will see that the Start Improvement button has now disappeared and changed into a gray Submit Improvement button. You will see something called Download, Share, Edit, Files, and Sync. These are certain options that you will see there. Below you will again see the project details page, and on your right you will see the task details. Here you are currently seeing 2 tasks. If you click on Load More Tasks, you will see few more tasks. In order to complete the project, you have to perform all these tasks to meet the required objective of the project. You will also see a View Resources button on the first task. By clicking on the View Resources button, you will be able to access the project guide of the for the project. Once you click on play button, this project guide will open as a PDF and you can go through more details that you need to know about the project. For example, activities, reflections, and many other things. Once you have gone through the PDF, you can click on this and you can exit. Once you have exited, you can go back to the main page and here you can start marking the task as complete because you have already gone through the resource and that's what the task suggests. You will change the status to completed. You will then go back. You will perform the second task, which is conducting a meeting. Once you have done that as well, you will mark it completed. Similarly, when you perform all the other tasks, you can keep marking them completed. Once this is done, on the last task, this is attached to the certificate and here you will have to upload 3 pictures and videos as the certificate demands. You can always submit more or less, but you will receive certificate only when you upload a minimum of 3 pictures or videos as evidence for the activities. So please choose the best videos and pictures that represent the work that you have done under the project. To upload, you click on the task, then you click on add files. Here you will get a consent form saying that you're consenting and giving permission to upload your pictures. Once you do that, it will give you an option to add remarks. You can add details about what this picture is representing. Here